Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 low competition, high demand Amazon KDP keywords that you can get started with creating low content and medium content books for. Now, all 5 keywords that we are going to talk about in today's video are all interconnected under one main niche. And then here you can see the power of sub-niching under that one main niche and what is the potential for that. So we are also going to use 4 Chrome extensions, and out of the 4, 2 of them are the main ones. First one is Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension, and the second one is the Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, and they are both free. And I have discussed the Chrome extensions that I'm using in a specific video that I made on the channel. You can check it out and you can see the link in the description box below. An overview on how to find profitable Amazon KDP keywords using free Chrome extensions. Let's get started with the first niche for the day. And before we get started, please remember to subscribe to the channel. We do videos talking about Amazon KDP strategies, keywords, as well as how to make passive income online, sharing with you my own personal story on making passive income using Medium, Vocal Media, Print on Demand, and Amazon KDP. Let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day is airplane coloring book for adults. Airplane coloring book for adults is a keyword that has a wonderful keyword niche score of 54 and a total results below 1000. The total results are 782 and the average bestseller is great. It is sitting at 483,443, and we have 932 average reviews, and the average price is $9.03. Perfect for low content to medium content books. So we also have Amazon Scout Pro, which gave us a keyword niche score of number 6, categorizing this niche as a nice niche. So we do have clarification from both the analytics provided by Self-Publishing Titans as well as the Amazon Scout Pro. So you need to understand what you're doing in this like what kind of books you are creating. You're creating a coloring book that's catered for adults about airplanes. So you might want to add additional value by maybe adding some information about different types of airplanes, a like architectural drawing of an airplane that is designed to be a coloring sheet as well. So the more value that you add inside the coloring book, the better that your book will sell. Also, the covers also play a really crucial part. Now, we're going to just ignore the sponsored, the first top 3 of the sponsored and also the 4th one, and we are going to focus on the books that are not sponsored, so there are no ads running. As you can tell, the cover plays a major role in the ones. This one, for example, it is an independently published book, Airplanes, a Smithson coloring book, but it is also selling quite well. It has a bestseller rank of 317,880, and also it is selling at a higher price, priced at $16.99 because of the perceived added value inside this coloring book. This one's also selling quite well. It is also independently published and it is selling for $5.99. So try to add as much as value for this keyword and try to be very creative with your covers. And also, if you can do some additional studies about what types of airplanes are there, what are the types of airplanes, what are the names of these airplanes, and try to get a sketch maybe from Creative Fabrica, or also by using Creative Fabrica Spark, which you can enter the name of the type of airplane that you're looking for, and you can also enter a prompt wanting a coloring design, a coloring sheet design of this specific type of airplane, and you do this for the 30 or 40 or whatever it is, how many airplane types you want to create or how many pages you want to create inside your book, and it would be really good and it would also sell quite well. So the keyword that we talked about is airplane coloring book for adults. Let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword is airplane coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8. Airplane coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8 has a keyword niche score of 38. I wouldn't be too intimidated by the perceived low keyword niche score because all the other indicators in the analytics section over here indicate that this is a really good keyword, and one of the biggest indications is the bestseller rank. It is ideally under 300,000 and it is currently sitting at 235,223. Also, the total results are 1,032, so there is low competition under this keyword, and we have the average price priced at $7.01. Now, with the books here, it is about airplanes. It is a coloring book based book. It is for kids, and it is specifically for kids that are 4 to 8 years old. So try to be mindful of the age as well, and try to create covers that are designed for kids in this age group as well. Try to make it colorful, try to make it engaging, try to add in some additional maybe fun facts, a sentence or two on each page about fun facts about airplanes, just something that the kid can get added value and can digest pretty easily as well. Also, you would maybe want to add some little a bit of doodling pages, maybe some sketch pages as well, but make sure to add in a border so it's not completely a blank page, just in between the coloring sheets as well. Also, you might want to add in some additional things to do with airplanes inside your coloring book, but try to make the majority of it like coloring sheets about airplanes designed for kids. Let's head over to our third keyword for the day, and our third keyword for the day is airplane coloring book for kids ages 2 to 4. Airplane coloring book for kids ages 2 to 4 is a profitable keyword. It is also binded or connected to the keyword that we talked about, the previous one, which is airplane coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8. It has a potential to be profitable. All the indicators right here indicate so. The keyword niche score is 40. The total results are below 1,000, sitting at 765. Average bestseller rank is super low, sitting at 145,825. Now, if you've been watching me here on the channel, ideally I would be very much interested in a bestseller rank that has an average of 300,000 and below. This one sits at 145,000, which is amazing as well, and the average price is $6.70. A little bit too low considering now the price changes that are going to be implemented starting from next month. So if you haven't yet not changed your prices, please change them accordingly. If you don't know whether you should change them or not, go check out the video that I did linked in the description box below about my strategy for changing the prices and how I determine profitability based on the new updates that are released on Amazon. Airplane coloring book for kids also has a keyword niche score of number 7, which is given by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this niche as a nice niche. Then again, the tips that I've talked about the previous keyword also apply for this one. So try to add additional value, maybe some doodling pages, maybe some lined sheets in between the coloring pages as well. Also, the more paid coloring sheets that you add, the better it is, because it gives parents and caregivers and customers that added perceived value, that they're getting they're getting what they've paid their money's worth for. For example, see how many coloring sheets are there. This one offers 50. This one is it doesn't really say how much coloring sheets are inside, but go ahead and see what categories the book is ranking for. Also, this can really help in choosing the right categories as well that you would like your book to be ranking for as well. To go check out the reviews and see what the customers are saying, specifically when it comes to looking at the negative reviews, if there is any. See how you can improve on that. See how you can make a better version of what is already out there. Remember, don't copy, but to get inspiration. See how you can improve on what is already currently selling in the market right now. And the next keyword for the day is airplane activities for toddlers 1 to 3. So this is an activity book that you're going to create that revolves around airplanes, and that is specifically for toddlers that are aged 1 year old to 3 years old. So you need to be really mindful about the simplicity, about how simple this needs to be, about how minimalistic this needs to be as well, about how large the text possibly needs to be, and the sheets. Maybe you can create a large 8.5 times 11 inch activity book for toddlers, because toddlers usually need a lot of space to color in, and they also are not too into the details. For example, when you're creating a book for children that are 8 to 10, there needs to be some sort of detail in there in the drawings and illustrations. When it comes to toddlers and preschoolers, the simple it is, the best selling it is, and the more coloring sheets. For example, if you create a coloring book or an activity book that's 30 or 40 sheets of activities, that would be great. If you can aim for 50, the more you aim for, the better it is. The quantity really does play a big role, because you want to give that perceived added value, and you want parents to make sure that their toddlers are going to be preoccupied. You don't want the coloring or the activity book to be for example 20 to 30 pages. You want to add as much pages as you can with unique airplane designed coloring book sheets and activities as well. So a great resource is Creative Fabrica. I have also added a link in the description box below for a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica that allows you to download Amazon KDP activity sheets, airplane also coloring sheets as well, maybe flashcards that you can add in here and there in between the activity book for airplanes. Just try to think outside the box and see how you can stand out and how your book can be unique. Now let's head over and look at our final keyword for today's video, and it is airplane activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. So this yet again is an extension from the previous keyword, which was aimed for children that are, or toddlers that are 1 to 3. This is an extension aimed for children that are 4 to 8, and also an activity book for kids about airplanes. So it has a great potential. I would personally ignore the keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans, which is pretty low in this case. It sits at 35. Why? Because the other indicators indicate that this is a profitable keyword. So I'm going to personally ignore the keyword niche score, and I am going to confirm this niche also by the analytics that I find right here, and also by the niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro, which gives us a number 9 green light right here, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. The average bestseller rank is 115,234, and the total results are a little bit too high, sitting at 3,053. Also, the average price is $7.28, which is perfect for this niche as well. So think outside the box, add added value, and try to create engaging, colorful, also like engaging colorful covers as well, and interiors. Now, as you can see the difference as we head from ages 1 to 3 in the previous keyword, we are heading on to 4 to 8. The complexity when it comes to the covers is very clear as well. So try to create covers that are engaging, colorful, added elements here and there that are connected to airplanes and travel. And if you can also provide some information, some fun facts or did you know sections in between the activity book, that would be amazing as well. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope that you take advantage of the 5 keywords that we talked about that are all belonging to one big massive niche, which is airplane. The airplane niche. If you have enjoyed today's video, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.